Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today is day 18 for Vlogmas here on my YouTube channel. And today is also episode 15 where we are going to be talking all about setting powder. So in 5th place is the Rare Beauty setting powder. I really do like this powder. I think it's in this one is in the shade Light. I really do like this one. It has a little hint of pink in it, which I do kind of like. It's really, really nice. I love this powder. In 4th place, we have the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Loose Powder. This one is perfect for oily skin. I love this powder. I do interchange it with the 1st place winner that I'm going to be talking about in a little bit. This one is so great. I do really like this one as well. In 3rd place, we have the Huda Beauty Easy Blur. That's the foundation. This is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder. This shade is in Sugar Cookie. I have Sugar Cookie. No, this shade is actually Cherry Blossom, sorry. I have Cherry Blossom and Sugar Cookie. It's so good. In 2nd place is the Givenchy Prism Libre Loose Powder. This is the new formula. I love it. And I did try the original formula first, and then maybe 2 weeks, maybe a little bit longer, the new formula came out, and I didn't purchase it for a long time, and then I caved and I purchased it, and I love it. It is so good. But I do like the original formula a little bit more, but I do also really like this formula too. In 1st place, that actually replaced the new formula of the Givenchy powder is the Makeup by Mario Surreal Skin Soft Blur Setting Powder. This one is in 2 Neutral Light. I love the shade. I definitely do want to get like the pink shade. I think it's the next shade in the range after 2 Neutral Light. It's so good. I love this setting powder. It's amazing. Okay, so that was all my favorite setting powders. See you guys tomorrow for day 19. Bye!